Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we have this cool, amazing product right here. If you guys can see, it's by a brand called Casetify. And basically what these are is an iPhone case. Let's open up the package and show you guys what it looks like inside first. So when you open the box right here, it's so awesome. Look at that. It's like so extra, I love it. So when you open up this part right here, you guys can see that there's a bunch of case right here. You guys can see, and the last thing that they provide us right here is a bunch of like wet wipes that you can use to wipe off your phone and everything before you guys actually put it on. And they provide us a little thank you card for purchasing the product, if you guys can see right here, which is pretty awesome. So just to let you guys know, these are actually the case for the brand new iPhone 12. So let's take out each one to show you what it looks like. So we'll take a look at the camel first, camel design right here, you guys can see. So you guys can see from the packaging itself for the iPhone 12 case that we have right here is pretty nice. They actually have a little piece of paper right here to show you what the actual phone looks like if it has the camera on here. So the design of the case is actually really nice. If you can see, you guys can actually customize your own case or you can use one of the design that they have. And what's really cool, if you guys can see, is very slim. And all the cases are actually eco-friendly, so they actually use recycled material on all the cases, which is pretty awesome. And probably one of the coolest thing about the case is the fact that it's actually military grade drop tested approved. So what that means is that if you guys drop this case on the floor by accident, you guys don't have to worry about it being cracked or damaged because it is drop tested approved, which I'll show you guys that drop test in a second. Another cool thing about the case is the fact that it has antimicrobial coating on it, so it actually will eliminate a lot of like the germs on the case itself. And what's really cool about their cases, if you guys can see, they have the little logo right here, so that way people know that it's a Casetify brand case. So before I test out the phone and put the phone in here, let me show you guys all the other cases first. Next one that we have right here is a very unique kind of design, if you guys can see. Let me remove this part right here first, the little film. So this design is actually really cool, you guys can see. It kind of have that mailing like label on here, so that's really cool. So this is actually customized, and then obviously the buttons right here works really well. So let's keep moving on and show you guys other cases as well first. The next one that we have right here also has a film, so let's remove that. So this is what the next one looks like. So it's actually really cool how they customize it because they have my little name right here, so Chris, which is pretty awesome. And then the button right here, you guys can see, same thing for bottom. And same thing for this side as well. And then the last and final one that we have right here, it also has the films. This one is also customized, like I said, so if you guys have the one where you can print your own one, or you can have the one that they already have for you guys available. But if you guys can see the buttons right here, very nice kind of design. All of them is well protected in all the corners and the bottom part as well right there. So those are all four of the cases that's provided for us for the iPhone 12. So let's actually put in the phone and show you guys what it actually looks like with it on first. Alright, so this is basically what it looks like with the phone on, if you guys can see. The button works quite well, if you guys can see. Bottom part, you guys can see, it actually looks really nice as well. You guys can just plug in your cable right here to charge it, and it has a little speakers part right here. And obviously for the case itself, you guys can use it for wireless charging. So I'm going to show you guys that quick test really quick, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we got the case right here. Let's try out the wireless charging, see if it works. Alright. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick charging test. You guys can see it actually does charge and actually works quite well. Really easy to use the wireless charging on here, which is pretty awesome. So now that we did a quick unboxing of the product itself and kind of describing everything that's provided for us, now we have to actually do the drop test to see if it actually works and whatnot. Alright, so we have the case right here. I'm going to do the drop test right here. So you guys are going to see the test with the first camera here and then go into the second camera in the bottom. The second camera might be a little bit dark, so I'm sorry, but just to show you guys that it does work. So I'm going to drop it from here in 3, 2, 1. Alright, so you guys can see nothing is wrong with the case itself. We dropped it from pretty high up. So you guys definitely don't have to worry about this phone cracking or anything, or scratches or anything, because the phone itself is really nicely made and high quality. So they make cases for all types of iPhone, but this one right here that we have right here is for the iPhone 12. So now you guys saw a quick drop test itself. As you can see, it actually does work and works quite well. It's super slim and actually is well protected. It has the military grade drop test approved, which is pretty awesome on here. And also has the antimicrobial coating on here, so any of the germs, like I mentioned, will not stay on the actual case itself, which is pretty awesome. So you guys can see there's like a bunch of options on here. You guys can choose whatever color you guys want to. You guys can choose what kind of like phone you guys are going to be getting it for. You guys can also customize like the actual design itself on any of the ones that they have right here, or you can customize it to any of the ones that you guys would want to have yourself. So if you guys want to personalize it and make it the way how you guys want to have it, you guys can just press the personalize button right here and just personalize the case however you guys want to have it. And all of these cases are actually drop proof. As long as you guys get any of the cases such as the impact, the ultra impact, as long as you guys don't get like the leather case, then you guys are completely fine, and those are all drop proof. The only one that's not is the leather case. So if you guys do want to get one of these cases, you can get it from either Amazon or you can get it from the actual website itself. So if you guys use it from the actual website that is right here, which is casetify.com/isitworthit, you guys can actually get free shipping, which is pretty awesome. So now that we did a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that this is actually pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are planning to buy the brand new iPhone 12 case, then this is actually really worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually you do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout day we have